Okay, okay, Maddie. Here's a video of Gracie gets ready for bed in Seattle. Night night, and she's still wondering. I loved you, Auntie Jenny, but holy crackers, what is about the hands? we got we got all kinds of snuggly bears and stuff, as you can see.
She's got the high waisted. She's going for the high waisted Pampers tonight.
She's got the high cuts on.
Yeah. Circa 1982.
Mama says hi. And speaking of Circa, we went to dinner at Circa right in the backyard, and Gracie had. Oh, see, he said hi, Dad. Yeah.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Papa. Say hi, Daddy. Say I miss Dad.
Like, why are you poking at your head?
Yeah. Miss Papa. And we went to Circa, and Gracie had some garlic mashed potatoes, and she was fascinated with everything.
So good.
Oh.
And she did the big rubbing the eyes. Tired. Time to go to bed now.
Put your feet, Jen. Put your feet, Jen. The lesbian couple here is putting their baby to bed.
Did you know Jenny was a lesbian?
I'm subbing in as the lesbian parent here.
Maddie says, in my wildest dreams.
Yeah. Maddie says, oh, God.
Oh, dear.
Oh,
Garoo.
Careful is what he's saying.
Oh, careful, yeah. Watch out with my girl. And Maddie, she's such a sweet, and I'm so happy that they're here. Ah, hi, Dad. Say hi, Emmett Doodle.
I did again. I played with your heart.
Okay, I'm going to try to figure out how to upload this somewhere, Maddie. It's 9:51. The girl.
Hey, Matt, I'm thinking we need a shacket on this. We need to get a shacket on it right away. That's a 911 on a shacket, okay?
I have no idea what that means. Anyhow, love you, Maddie.
Love you, Maddie.
What was I doing? I did it right.
Say love you, Daddy.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna try to upload this somewhere, Maddie, so you can see it. Love you.
Say bye, Dad.
Bye, Daddy. Say night, night, Daddy.
Oh. Once again, probably fucked up again.
Yeah. And don't worry about the vulgarities, Maddie. We'll cut that out when she's old enough to know any
We'll
better.
edit that in the final copy.
We'll edit that when she's 2. Night, Daddy. Loves you. Blow kisses. Say night, Daddy. Okie